Hello all, this tutorial is about Git and GitHub for Catalan Studio. We are going to see why are we using GitHub, why are you using Git for Catalan Studio. Let's see the basic difference between Git and GitHub first. GitHub is a version control system. It allows collaboration and version control. And Git is an open source distributed version control system. GitHub is a cloud-based and won't work on local machine. After installation of Git on local machine, you can work on your projects using Git. GitHub is a hosting service for Git repositories, and Git is a tool to manage your source code history. This is the theoretical difference. In simple words, if I have a team of say 5 members and I am the team lead or reviewer, then we will create a GitHub account having a project, and in that project I will have a master repository branch, and I will also have another 4 branches of my team members who are working on the project. While they are working on the project, they will work on Git, which will be installed on their local machine. And once they have done the changes, they will use this Git to push their changes to the GitHub repository. You can work on Git on a local machine without having the internet connection. For working on GitHub, you need to have internet connection as it is cloud based. So why do we need Git and GitHub in Catalan Studio? If you want to work in collaboration with the team and manage the changes in the project in a proper way, they need Git and GitHub. You need it in each project where you wish to implement version control system, may it be Catalan Studio project or normal Java project. Need of GitHub arises when you work in a team and wants to merge the changes by each team member in the project without hassle. Need of Git arises for each team member if their project is on GitHub. Also, Git plays a vital role in Git and Jenkins integration to achieve continuous integration and continuous delivery, and for scheduling the test execution for changes done in project. In this tutorial, as I earlier said, that we are going to learn about Git, how to set up and install Git. In the next session, we are going to cover Git and Jenkins integration. For that, this is the prerequisite to have GitHub and Git setup done on your machine. To set up and install GitHub, go to my tutorial Catalan Studio 21 Integration with Git. And to learn about how to work on Catalan Studio project with GitHub, go to Catalan Studio 22 Integrate with Git and Work on Project tutorial. I have shared the URLs for both these tutorials in the comments below. Now let's see steps to Git installation and setup. First, we will download and install Git SCM to your machine from www.git-scm.com website. I have given the URL in the comments below. Then we will test status of the project by giving the git status command. After that, we will test adding new changes in the project in staged section. Once that is done, we will commit those changes by commit command. And then we will push the changes to GitHub repository. So let's see all these steps one by one. As we do not have Git SCM in our machine, we will download it first. Go to git-scm.com website. Click on the operating system that you are looking for. I will click on Windows and it will start downloading Git. Once the file is downloaded, double click and start the installation of it. In the installation window, click Next. It will by default select your C drive program files folder. Click Next. Click Next. Keep on clicking Next. Here, use Windows default console window as we are not going to use Minty. And click Install button. It's completing the Git setup wizard, so click Next. And it opens the release note after installation. You can close this release note. If you want, you can check it, what bug fixes they have done in this release and what new features they have given in this release. I will close it. When you enter Git in your start menu search, then you get these many options that Git GUI, Git Bash app and Git CMD. Click on Git CMD to open Git command prompt and check whether Git is installed properly. To check it, we will give the command git hyphen hyphen version, and if it is installed properly, it will give us the version. Once this is confirmed that our Git is installed properly, we will go to our project folder in the Git which is there on our local machine, because we already have created a Git repository using GitHub for Catalan Studio project. If you do not know how to create a Git repository and how to commit the project or clone the Catalan project to Git repository, please go through my earlier tutorials about Catalan integration with Git. We will give command cd and our project path. Click enter. Now after this, we will check the status of our project. We will check whether there are new changes which are pending to be committed or there are no changes. So for that, I will give the command git status. And it's showing nothing to commit, working tree is clean. There is no changes in our project. Now what we will do here is I will go to my Catalan Studio and I will make some changes to the project, existing project. I will go to test case 1 and I will add comment as test case 1 started. I will save it. Now we will go again to command prompt and we will repeat the same git status command. Now it is showing that there is some change in the project and we need to commit it. Here we also got the information that use git add and use git commit. Means first, to add these changes to staged changes, we have to give the git add command. My command was incorrect. Here we have to give git add and the path of the changed test case. So what I'll do, I will go to my folder of the test project and I will go to scripts, test case 1 and copy this file name, and I will go to my git cmd. I will give git add command, and I will enter scripts this path slash the copied file name, and I will press enter. And now if you check the status, then the status of this file is changed to modified and it is showing in green. The similar way we have to add this modified file also. So where is this? This is in settings, internal, and the file name. So go to your project folder again, settings, internal, and the recent file, this one. I will rename, means copy this file. I will go to git again. I will give the command git add. I will go to this path settings slash internal, and I will paste the file name which is copied, and I will enter. Now if I go and check the status again, both the files are modified and are green. Now to commit these changes to Git repository, we will give the command git commit -m for message and the message in the double quotes, and we will click enter. Changes in test case 1, 2 files changed. It has successfully committed our changes in both the files. I have again changed the status of the project by giving git status command to check whether there is anything pending to be committed, and I got the message that nothing to commit and working tree is clean. As you have seen that I have added two different files by giving two different commands and giving the folder paths and file names. Instead of that, you can use wildcard characters. Here, to add all the files at a time which are changed, you can give git add star command. This command will stage all the changes that are there in the project and will be added to the staged folder. After that, you can commit those changes. Now, to push the changes to GitHub repository, we will give the command git push -u origin, and we will click enter. It will ask us to log into GitHub. We already have GitHub account, so we will log into it. Once you log into GitHub, it will push the changes to GitHub and it will update the project. Go to your GitHub account to see the changes, whether they are actually done or no. I will go to my project in GitHub, and you can see that the change in test case 1 has been updated in the both the files are updated in GitHub repository. This way we can use Git and GitHub for the project version control. Here I also want to mention that I have given this git push -u origin command, as I had only one branch, that is master branch, in my project. If you have multiple branches in your project and you want to push these changes to a particular branch, like I want to push it for master branch, you can give the command git push -u origin and master, or any other branch name which you wish to, and then these changes will be pushed to that branch. This was about Git. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about Jenkins and Git integration for Catalan Studio project. So stay tuned. And if you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, Please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Thank you.